how to refresh Quick Add on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. Now, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. You can edit and view your profile information here. Now, go to the top right and tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down to the privacy controls section. Then tap on See Me and Find Friends. Here, enable the Show Me and Find Friends option. Find Friends helps friends find each other on Snapchat. You might appear in another Snapchatter's Find Friends if you share mutual friends or another connection. Now go back to the camera screen on Snapchat. Now go to the top right corner and tap on the Add icon. Here, you can add friends on Snapchat by adding them from the suggested list under Find Friends. You can also search for your friends in the search bar. Following these steps, you can easily refresh Quick Add on Snapchat.